Nice. It's raining today and I'm back in the hole. I don't have a car because it's getting fixed. I was just trying to think of a name for this Budgie, and that's the yellow one that you see here. That is because he exercises a lot. He doesn't put on much weight. Everyone else has put on a lot of weight, like me. I was thinking what to name him, so I decided to name him Ozempic the Budgie, because he watches his weight, doesn't eat very much, and he exercises. You know, he does not want to get fat, so I call him Ozempic. Hi.